Tonight, fast optic fast break and Allen and Ginter baseballs. Good luck to all. Ramirez, Trey Mancini. Baby jersey out of 99 Christian Yelich for the Brewers. Baez, Paul Goldschmidt, Rizzo, and Vato. James DeGrom. Duplantier. Out of 199, Nicky Lopez. Kikuchi. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Bryce Harper, Kopech, Eloy Jimenez. Matt Olson. For the Nationals out of 99, Tanner Rainey autograph. For the Nationals out of 99, Tanner Rainey. Tatis Jr. Out of 199, Paul Goldschmidt. Lowe and Yadier Molina. Austin Riley. Pete Alonso. Out of 99, Nick Senzel for the Reds. Justice Sheffield. Carter Kaboom. Peter Lambert. Chris Bryant and Michael Chavis. Rizzo. Out of 99 for the Royals, Brad Keller. America's Pastime. Paddock. Otani. Paddock. Stewart. Fernando Tatis. Redemption. America's Pastime for the Reds. Auto of Nick Senzel. For the Reds, Nick Senzel. Otani. Yep, he's numbered. It's out of 299. Oops. What the heck am I doing over here? Shoot. Mookie Betts, Jeff McNeil, and Darwin. Triple jersey for the Astros, Kyle Tucker. That one's not numbered. Altuve, Benintendi, Corey Kluber, Mitch Keller. Trout, Jimenez, Brad Keller, Jose Ramirez, Mookie Betts, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. It's for the Rays, autograph of Adam Kolarek. For the Rays, Adam Kolarek. Fernando Tatis Jr. Aaron Judge out of $2.99 for the Yankees. Fernando Tatis and Brandon Lowe. Here, Matt Olson. Out of 99, Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Sparklies. Freeman just backwards. Chris Bryant. Brendan Rodgers and Javier Baez. Nick Senzel, Shohei Ohtani. Jersey auto of David Fletcher for the Angels. It's out of $1.99. Pete Alonso, Trout, Reynolds, and Kikuchi. Judge. Out of 99, Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Jersey auto for the Giants, Chris Shaw. That one's out of $1.99. Juan Soto for the Nationals. It's out of $1.99. Chris Paddock, Molina, and Yelich. Chris Paddock, Scooter Gannett. Mookie Betts out of 99. Jumbo or jersey out of Cornerstones. For the Red Sox, Acuna. Mookie Betts, Kristen Stewart, Kyle Tucker. Pete Alonso, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Out of $1.99, Bryce Harper for the Phillies. Chris Shaw for the Giants. That's out of $99. Blake Snell, Andrew Benintendi, Vato, and Yadier Molina. Bryce Bryce Harper. For the Indians, Eric Haas. Rookie autograph for the Indians. Eloy Jimenez. Ozzie Albies for the Braves. Is that a $2.99? Cole Tucker and Lindor. Christian Yelich, Reynolds. Out of 99 for the Nationals, Carter Kaboom. Gleyber Torres. Jacob deGrom. Aaron Judge, Acuna. Kaboom, Kopech. And Tucker. Justice Sheffield for the Mariners autograph. Justice Sheffield. Obsidian style out of 75. Corey Kluber, Matt Chapman, Tatis, and Darwinzon Hernandez. Duplantier, Cal Quantrill, Tatis. Jersey auto for the Oakland A's, Ramon Laureano. It's out of 199. Nick Senzel, out of 199 for the Reds. John Duplantier, Cole Tucker, and Keston Hiura. Alright, one to go. Tucker, Cody Bellinger. For the Angels, out of 49, Shohei Ohtani. Triple jersey for the Mariners, Yusei Kikuchi. Chris Bryant, Carter Kaboom, Fernando Tatis Jr. Riley, Chris Paddock, Chris Bryant, Shohei Ohtani, Chavis, Ohtani, Tucker, Ohtani. Brian Reynolds, Carter Kaboom. Rosell Herrera for the Miami Marlins. Rookie auto. Scherzer. This is numbered. Nolan Arenado for the Rockies out of 50. Bryce Harper, Mike Trout. Senzel, Eloy Jimenez, Ichiro, that is numbered. That is out of 75 for the Mariners. Jordan Hicks, JD Martinez, this guy, Kyle Tucker. Mookie Betts, Fernando Tatis Jr., Kyle Freeland. Jersey auto for the Royals, Brad Keller. That's out of 199. Brandon Lowe, Arenado, Lindor, and Vladimir Guerrero Jr. And last pack of the break. Pete Alonso, Judge, Bryce Harper out of 50 for the Phillies. Jersey auto for the Phillies, Angel De Los Santos. That's out of 199. Chris Paddock. It's out of 299. Eloy Jimenez for the White Sox, red. That's out of 25. Trevor Story and Ichiro. Alright, up next will be Optic Fast Break Basketball.